Right, so this is part 13. We're doing intros now, I guess. As you can see, the wheels are in the back of the car and shock absorbers arrived, so we're going to change that. Alright, so just looking past there, you can see here is a entire shock absorber unit from another Twingo that I got off eBay, which looks in much better condition to the one that's there. But first, trying to fix this. So I pulled this apart a little, and there's these tabs. This one's folded over, if it focuses, and I think that that is what's stopping this being flush. I mean, I've no idea how. Well, the black paint is probably a giveaway of how this happened, but I don't know how it's really sitting there. So there's a bolt in here somewhere. It's holding this on, so we'll take that off and hopefully we can peel this back around again. Right, so that's off now. You can see behind here is a pretty grassy thing. Lots of dead spiders. So yeah, this is definitely curved out. If we, this has been like this so long, the plastic sort of formed back into its shape. And maybe we can just fill that back up. It's better than it was. There you go. Still a slight panel bend there, but this is all that's left. So for an MOT, a bit of duct tape. Cover that. It's a bit sharp. I'll probably sand it down and sort that out later. Something else I plan to do is also spray paint this back bit so it looks a bit more sporty. Seems it's nice weather, we'll do that. don't think that looks too bad. We'll be doing similar to the front. Makes it look a little less boring. It's by no means perfect. There's a massive bit of overspray there, and I've missed a bit this side. But once the number plate back on, oh look, better than it did. And a quick bit of acetone and IPA. It's got that overspray off, which means I can just tart that other side up when I want to. We're going to do the same to the front, but a different day. So bottom trim piece will be black, that bit will be black. It'll just look a bit more fun.